You know what's the absolute form of freedom? Obviously, it's money. And when you make your money, and then you can actually also be not only financially free, but also locational free. So I'm currently in Germany. And you know what? I ordered myself a new bag. Maybe you know the brand. It's Peak Design. And what's so nice with this bag is you can just take it on carry-on on the plane. And so what I did is I ordered this one. I just stored it into my apartment when I was in Dubai. And then it laid around in my apartment. I took a look at it. And literally the same moment, I just opened my laptop and I just booked the flight towards Germany because I wanted to see my family. I knew I wanted to see my family over Christmas. It's Christmas time right now. But I just booked it one day before I flew actually. Even though less than 24 hours or around 24 hours before the flight, I just booked the flight. And this is possible, one, because I'm financially free. Second, I'm locational free and I don't have anybody I need to listen to. And this all was my dreams since I was still in school time. When I was 17 and I needed to go to school by law, I needed to go to school till I was 18. Then I could quit out of school. I made already more money than my teacher in the school time. And me finally then dropping out, I could finally move towards Dubai. I could do the freak I want because I didn't need to listen to anybody. I was financially and then also locational free later on. And all of the story I wanted to tell you, all of this I can do because I learned how to acquire high-ticket clients, which pay me high-ticket on a monthly basis, which I can close between 3, 6, or even 12 months, which pay me then on a monthly basis, where we doing creative jobs for them, where we do videos for them, where we scale their YouTube channel, and where we get them more clients on a monthly basis. And this got me actually all of the freedom I want by me just offering more value towards other companies and learning the skill how to get them. Because most probably, if you're a creative filmmaker, video editor, any sort of a creative agency, or you have an agency in general, you most probably don't know how to acquire customers. And when you know how to acquire customers, you don't know how to keep them on a monthly basis. And this is exactly what shifted in my situation, because previously I had like clients and I needed to do weird outreach. Nobody responded. When I got them on a call, I didn't know what to pitch. I didn't know how to close a sales call, what to sell, how to sell it, and how to offer actual value that clients say, hey, perfect, let's sign a contract between 3 and 6 months. Let's just go for it. And this whole game changed then. And also I never could charge prices which we are charging today between $2,000 and $4,000 every single month. Was actually euros. So I was charging one client 4,000 euros per month. That it was even 5, I think so, 4 or 5. Us doing their video job or scaling their YouTube channel actually and getting them more clients. And learning these skills, like I said, how to get these clients, how to get the right clients, what to offer and how to offer yourself as a video strategist, as a video editor, or as a filmmaker, in general as an agency owner, and how to get these clients and how to get weekly new calls booked into our calendar that they want to speak with us because they know that we can help them and they have actually the budget to pay us on a monthly basis high retainers. If you want to learn this, I created a complete free video, a case study, how I did this myself, on how we are doing this on the daily, on the weekly, on the monthly basis. It's completely for free. Just take a look at the first link in the description. You can check out this video. It's a case study. If you have any further questions, there's also my Instagram down below. And if you like this video, then most probably we will see each other in another YouTube video. Bye-bye.